Turning now to your 17 Crime Watch. Police have arrested 2 local men in connection with a drugs and weapons investigation. Officers arrested Jorge Lara and Edwin Bermudez last night at a home on Ash Road near White Lane after getting a search warrant. Police say they found 7 illegally owned and loaded guns, suspected fentanyl pills, and nearly 35 grams of cocaine. Lara faces several felony drug and weapons-related charges and is being held on $107,000 bail. He's due back in court on November 28th. Bermudez is no longer listed in custody.